Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add collections list in your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's go right into the tutorial. So first, all you need to do is to open up your computer browser and head on to Shopify. So if you don't have an account, just sign up for an account. It is very easy. And if you already have an account, just simply log into your account, just input your email address or your password. And with that being said, once you have logged in, it will go directly to this page right here. And to add a collection, all you need to do is to make sure that you already have products set up on your store. So for now, I'm just going to let you see my products. As you can see, I have some products right here. I have menswear and men's shoes. So that is the products that I'm currently selling. And once you have set up those products, we will add this to our collection. Now, if you don't have a product listed yet, I already made a video of that on how to add new products to your Shopify. So make sure to view on that or to click on that if you want to learn on how to add those products. So moving on, let's say you already have a product. So what you usually do is to go to this products right here and go to collections. So this is where we will be adding our collections. Now, as you can see right here, once you're in the collections, just click on create collections. Then it will lead you to this page right here. And of course, the first thing you want to do is to add a title of your collection. So for example, I will be selling or making a collection of men's shoes. So as you can see, these are my products right here. So I will be selling men's shoes. So these three products right here, I will be making it into one collection. Now to do that, all you have to do is go to title, just say men's shoe collection. So under description, you might want to add a little bit of description so that the search engine listing will generate a listing whenever someone searches a men's collection. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna say a collection of men's footwear, just like that, simple as that. And next, under collection type, you have two options right here. You have manual and automated. So the automated collection type is existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to your collection. So this basically means Shopify will automatically add that certain product to the collection if it has the same condition or it matches the same condition. So for now, I'm just going to click on manual right here. Manual actually is self-explanatory. You will add the collection, the products to the collection manually. So I'm just gonna click on that. I'm just gonna add manual right here. And next is the search engine listing. So as you can see, once a potential customer will actually search for men's shoe clothing, so this is the search engine result that he or she will be getting at right here. So this is my link of my shop, and this is the description that we have made earlier. So next is right here on publishing, you must select online store and point of sale. So that's very much it. And next is the image. So this is the last part. So you must upload an image for your collection. So as you can see, I have a men's shoe collection. I'm just gonna add this image right here of a men's shoe collection, and there you have it. I have an image of a men's shoe collection. So now we are done with setting up a collection. Just click on save right here. And as you can see, it says save collection. And of course, once I go to my collection right here, I have 0 products. So this is the collection we just made, and I have 0 products. Now, to add products to your collection, you must go to your product section and just check on the products that you want to add to your collection. So once you have done that, I'll click on the products that you want to add to your collection. Just click on this 3 dots right here, and it says, and locate the option that says add to collection. So as you can see, this is the collection that we have made earlier. So I'm just going to click on this. So you're about to add 3 products to collection, and it says this is the men's shoe collection. Just click on save right there. And as you can see, products added to collection. So to check, just go to your collections. As you can see, these are the products that we have added. There you have it. These are the products that we have added. So now if you want to add this collection to your store or to your Shopify store, all you have to do is go to online store right here and hit on themes. So it will automatically open this theme section, and of course go to customize. Now under here, this will be the area where we will customize our website. So once you have done that, just scroll down and click on add sections right here and click on collections list. And once you have done that, just click on this box right here or any on the boxes right about here. And right here on the right, just click on select collection and just choose the collection that you want to add to your website. And there you have it. My website is already added the collection of my shoe. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some comments, suggestions, or even some questions, just feel free to comment it down on this comment section below. So with that being said again, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!